Hi, Maria Z here. Welcome to another video. If you're trying to save up on buying props, or if you're having a hard time finding anything interesting at the moment, or if you think one or two props would suffice, then you might like to check out some of these ideas. You might find something interesting here. You can create all of these all by yourself. For the first two ideas, all you'll need is some paper, glue and scissors. Printables can be found in the description.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Before we move on to the next one, I have to apologize for being a Mrs. Multi-Pants and not following any pattern, although there are loads of patterns to choose from out there. I tried showing out something so my puppet would have like a bit wider face, but yeah, nope. Don't follow this even if your life depended on it. In my defense though, kids still loved the puppet and wanted to see the mechanism, and they thought it looked ridiculous enough to drag a chuckle out of them, so I guess I didn't do such a bad job. Oh, who am I kidding, it looks horrible. but it did make the students laugh, and that's the most important thing here. Anyway, if you're interested in creating something that actually looks decent, unlike the thing that I've just created, you might want to subscribe to Adam Krutinger's channel. He's a puppeteer from the US, and he's got his own web page. You can find loads of free patterns there. These are some props I made long ago. Cardboard Chocolate, Juicebox George, and a hand-drawn dragon with a toilet paper roll operated mouth mechanism, if I may call it that. But it's not that.
I'm as cute as a button. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, I'll stop now.
through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
To see more ideas about classroom props and classroom rewards, join a Facebook group created by teacher Sonia. The link is provided in the description of this video.
Fueled by them to see the horizon.
Have a nice day. Cheers!